For the longest time, I was stuck making only a few $100s per month. My original offer was selling consultation services by the hour. I charged high rates and got great reviews, but I hit a ceiling I couldn't break through. I realized I was only selling advice, not implementation. My clients got valuable information, but what they truly needed was reliable results. I had a one-time purchase model instead of recurring revenue. I needed to move up the value chain and offer business services that delivered tangible outcomes.
Now I sell lead generation services, including Google Ads, SEO, and cold email services. There's a big difference between giving advice and being responsible for execution and results. This also meant lots of constant communication with clients. I'm now getting dozens of affordable, qualified leads for my clients every month. I'm making over 10 times my previous income and have a real business with growth potential. I finally found my best possible offer. First, audit your current offer. Are you energized by the work? Are clients getting real results? Is the business model sustainable for you? Second, identify your zone of genius. What do people naturally come to you for? What problems do you solve effortlessly? The right offer doesn't just make you money, it grows with you and brings long-term repeat customers. I want clients for years, not just hours. This week, have an honest conversation with yourself about whether you're selling the right thing. If the answer is no, that's not a failure. That's valuable data. Leave a comment if this was helpful. Good luck.